The world is getting smarter. Houses that can detect what we do and predict our needs. Buildings that actually can optimize their own resources. Senior monitor systems that can detect and predict accidents. Theft systems that can actually predict theft instead of only detecting it. These are only some of the examples of smartness which we are trying to bring into the world with new technologies. And key to this intelligence is the capability to monitor what people are doing. Today, this is being done by using motion sensors or Wi-Fi radars that can tell us where a person is, or telephones and beacons that can give us an idea of what they're doing, and wearables that are used to track people and also have an idea of what they're doing and how they're feeling. However, all these technologies are not enough. What we truly need is a technology which allows us to know what the person is doing, just like a wearables, but without a wearables, just like movement sensors or a Wi-Fi radar. And this is what we developed at Xetal. We developed a technology which uses room temperature to detect and track a person or more with an accuracy of 30 centimeters. We can then use this information together with information about where the furniture is, where the door is, where the window is, in order to determine what the person is most likely doing. And finally, we use this behavior information in order to do real-time or statistical analysis and determine dangerous situations, accident, anomalies. Such a technology has a very wide market applicability, from monitoring elderly people to help them reduce a better life and reduce accident, to home automation, controlling lights, utilities, and so on. We at Xetal focus on three main markets: senior patient care, which is traditionally where we actually started as a company. Here we work with partners such as LifeShare, Marine Middle-East, Mimicry, in order to bring to the market professional monitoring system for hospitals and institutions that allows to detect dangerous events and predict accidents for seniors or patients. Home automation, we are working with Avantis and Microsoft in order to bring to the market in the course of 2016 the very first alarm system that can not only detect intrusion but actually prevent theft altogether. And finally, bank security, where we are working with two major players in Italy, Banca Italia and CNS, in order to bring to the market in 2017 monitoring solutions which can help them to detect potential criminal or dangerous activities in areas such as treasury or cash dispensers areas. The way we tackle all these three key markets is to enable our partners to bring to the market a differentiating product where our technology actually is the differentiating factor. And that's why we have started from initially verifying that our technology works, is well accepted, and satisfies the needs of these markets. We are now demonstrating that it can generate revenue for us and our partners. And finally, we focus on growth of the company by making our partnership stronger, turning into first-tier suppliers, and also evaluate possible new offerings based on the data that our monitoring system is generating and is allowing us and our partners to understand more of what people are doing. Of course, we're not the only one in this space. We are actually the only one providing a technology which allows in a non-invasive way, so no wearables, to monitor and track people in real time. Others are focusing on using Wi-Fi sensors and movement sensors to detect presence in a room, but without an accuracy inside the room. And this is actually quite useful for simple alarm system, intrusion detections, and light controls. Other competitors are using telephones and beacon technology, which actually is perfectly suited for indoor navigation applications, retailing, every situation where the person is willing to carry a telephone and use it as a way to navigate or get information. And finally, we have competitors which use wearables, and in that case they focus mostly on biometrics and tracking of people which are actually willing to carry wearables. In general, when we talk with potential competitors, the result is always the same, that our technology is complementary and fills a particular need that they were trying to address with their own technology, but without success. Finally, something about Xetal. We have been working on this technology since 2010. We have created the company in 2013, and since then we have raised more than €1.5 million in capital, loans and subsidies, and we are now very active in constructing a strong and valuable network of partners, which allows us to tackle our tricky markets by means of our technology as key differentiator. Thank you.